I'm going to use American Detailer Garage F-Bomb diluted 4:1, and we're going to use that to get rid of these bugs that are on the front of the vehicle. It's a little bit heavier concentrate. I usually use 10:1 for all-purpose, general purpose stuff, but I use 4:1 for bugs and extremely dirty wheels. All right, I'm going to show you how well that American Detailer Garage F-Bomb will take the bugs out. I'm going to start here with the windshield and the roof line. All right, you notice here we have we had all those bug guts and like 99% of them are gone. This car isn't even ceramic coated yet. And doesn't have any film on it, and it still came off easy with that F-Bomb concentration. We used to use P&S bug off remover, but there was a couple times where on certain plastic trims and stuff it was staining if it sat a little bit too long, whereas F-Bomb is a soap base and I haven't had any issues with it staining.